Welcome back, everyone. We finally got some sunlight. We are recovering from a 2-day snowstorm. Got about 8 inches of snow. I hoofed it through the snow back to our compost pile. I was going to try and pull that off to get a temperature reading of our compost, but I could not get all the snow off, and I wanted it to insulate our compost anyway. So we are in the greenhouse. I just walked in. The sun just popped out. We're sitting about 70 degrees in here. Heat bank sitting around 90 degrees on the top of it, and that is just from about an hour of sunlight warming all this up in here. We're blowing about 60-ish, about 60 degree air blowing out of there. We've got about 54 degree air coming through the bottom of our greenhouse and getting blown through our compost, gaining about 5 degrees on that transfer, which might not seem like a lot, but when we've got lower temperatures coming through, we're still achieving about 60 up top, raising the overall temperature that we're transferring back into here. Early in the morning, this will crank out some serious heat for us. We've got our water running down here. All right, our water coming in about 56 degrees coming into our greenhouse, and that's after it transfers all of our heat to the floor and comes back out, and this dumps right into our tank here for overflow to be drawn back up and recycled through our compost to be reheated. I just wanted to take some temperatures. We got about 61, 62 degrees on this soil that's catching all that heat right here. All of the soil in our greenhouse, it gets warmer. So the closer we go to where our hose is buried, heating up the floor, it gets warmer. So I just wanted to come out and take a few temperatures. It is like a sauna in here, and it's only about 20 degrees outside and windy. So we are doing something right in here. This is working well for us. I apologize we could not get to our large compost pile and stick our thermometer in there to get a reading. We should be sitting about 120, 125 degrees last time I checked a couple days ago before we got all this snow on there. So I'm gonna let that sit on top of our pile and insulate it till the compost melts all the snow on top of it.